Hey y'all, this is Starseed Energy 1111. This is my situations 919 bit. Let's see what messages Spirit has. I hope you're doing good. Currently at the hospital. Let's see what messages Spirit has for you too. Remember what it calls out is what Spirit wants you to know. We got some that fill out. What we got today? DUI. Reading people's thoughts, feelings, and intentions. Play nature. Prove all your haters wrong. You're getting a new car. Milk tea, bubble tea, tapioca. DuI. Not faced by lies, rumors, or BS. So, what I'm getting is people talking mess about you, but it's okay. You're not faced by lies, rumors, or bullshit. Somebody has a DWI. And someone has a DUI. This might be the person that's making up all these lies, rumors, bullshit about you, but you're not faced on that. So have some milk tea, because you prove all your haters wrong. You're getting a new car. You're reading people's thoughts and intentions, and go play in nature. That's the message I have for you today. So I hope that this resonated with you. If it did, good. If it didn't, maybe somebody else that the message resonates with. So share it. And thank you for the like, share, subscribe, and donations and the gifts, which I really appreciate. Thank you for keeping this channel going. And let's go see what this surgery things turn out to be. So I'll catch you later. I probably won't be posting anything till tomorrow, so just be mindful of that. And I haven't forgotten about y'all. So thank you for everything that you do for me and my channel, and supporting me and my child. So until next time, bye.